We're at 1146 Jesse Harbor. We are in Henderson, Nevada. This is a great location. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The neighborhood is always quiet around here. It's so pretty. And the community is so nice as well. It has a pool and a park, and the HOA is only $60. So we're gonna go inside. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Bobby Camacho. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome again. And here's my contact information if you want to see this house or any other house or have any questions. So we're gonna go right inside. So if you want to know more about this property, leave the information down below, or you can call us, text us, email us. However you want to get a hold of us, we're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.